The vehicle information display, located in the center of the instrument cluster, shows the driver multiple pieces of information, such as the trip computer and trip odometer. The trip computer display is located in between the tachometer and the speedometer. The outside temperature gauge can also be found on this display screen. Select among the modes by pushing the trip computer mode switch. The trip computer modes are fuel economy, average speed, driving distance, elapsed time, range, and settings. The fuel economy mode shows the current fuel consumption and average fuel consumption since the last reset. The average speed mode shows the average vehicle speed since the last reset. The driving distance mode shows the distance driven since the last reset. The elapsed time mode shows the time traveled since the last reset. The range, or distance to empty mode, provides you with an estimation of the distance that can be driven before refueling. Distance to empty is calculated based on the amount of fuel in the fuel tank and actual fuel consumption. When the fuel level is low, a warning will appear to alert the driver. The settings mode allows you to select and adjust clock, units, maintenance, alarms, language, and factory settings. If the outside temperature is between 27 and 37 degrees Fahrenheit, the outside temperature display will continuously blink with the ignition switch in the on position. To stop the display temperature from blinking, turn the mode switch until it reaches the Alarms menu, then push to Select. Next, turn to the outside temp mode and push to Select. Now, turn the switch until Off appears in the display and push the switch to Select. To exit the menu, push the mode switch again. You can reset a selected item except for range, current fuel consumption, and settings by pushing and holding the mode switch for less than 3 seconds. All of the trip computer modes, except range, current fuel consumption, and settings, can be reset at the same time by pushing and holding the mode switch for more than 3 seconds. Your odometer records the total distance your vehicle has been driven, while the trip odometers record the distance your vehicle has been driven since the last reset. Push this switch to move through accumulated mileage for up to 2 different trips. Push once for Trip A, push again for Trip B. Push and hold for 1 second to reset the selected trip odometer. Please see your owner's manual for more information on all trip computer features.